sure you'll figure it out, buddy. I'm sure you'll figure it out. Oh, this is kind of mean. Oh man. Maybe you can't quite tell that those are birds on the computer that I'm showing to my cat that you can't really see too well because he's a black cat, but you get the basic idea. Oh, maybe they're back here. Oh, I can see them. They're right here. But they're not back here. How did they do that? How did they fit in here? This doesn't make sense. They're not behind the screen. But they're in front of it. They're in the screen. There's a house. But it doesn't make sense. They're there. There is depth in the screen. There is depth in it. But behind the box, there is no depth. Where did it go? JJ, if only you could have a simple understanding of electronics. He's scratching the back of the computer right now. I don't know, JJ. I don't know where the birds are. You're gonna break my keyboard. JJ, you're gonna break my keypad. You're gonna pause the video. You pause the video. Do you see? The birds are frozen in time. Play. Oh, there they are. Yeah, I had to wake him up so he would watch this. Wasn't sure if it would get his attention. Now, I think this thoroughly debunks the fact that some people say cats can't see television. They can't see screens. They can't see what's on there. I don't have video proof, but during the last Winter Olympics, our cat, Johnny, watched a hockey puck and tried to catch it as it went back and forth across the screen. And here's my cat trying to figure out why the heck he can't get the birds in the screen. It's really bothering him. It's okay, baby. You tried your best. I think he misses the robins. They're gone. Oh, you minimized it. Oh, you minimized it. Okay, let's fix this. You're ruining the illusion. There it is. Ah, you ruined the illusion again. Okay, we're done.